Bioremediation. Cleaning of environment by using microorganisms is called bioremediation. Microorganisms like bacteria, fungi and plants clean up toxins in environment. It is a process to convert more toxic and harmful compounds into less toxic compounds. It plays a vital role in restoration and sustainability of natural environment. It makes the environment healthy and clean. Types of bioremediation: in situ, directly at the site of contamination. Ex situ, contaminated material is removed and transported to a different site. Advantages of bioremediation: break down pollutants and toxins naturally. No machinery or labor. Cost effective. Environment friendly. Sustainable. Genetically engineered microorganisms are used. Applications: degradation of pesticides and industrial chemicals. Clean up oil spills. Treat soil contaminated with heavy metals. Used to protect plants. Some supporting materials are added to enhance microbial growth. Molasses, vegetable oil, water and air are used for microbial growth. This is a new era in the timeline of biology.